Welcome to xNARA, where we bring innovative and scientifically backed health solutions right to you. We've created a guided pathway for you that focuses on effective health and lifestyle personalization. Our free and anonymous assessment will be your starting point and also your gateway to reaching the healthiest version of yourself. By completing the assessment, you'll be able to get a hold of your very own nutritional report and personalized supplements. To go further in depth, you can take the DNA test, the gut profile test, or even both to provide us with data-rich insights about your body. The DNA test is designed to detect and identify genetic predispositions and disorders. Our AI then calculates your health risk scoring based on both the data found from your DNA test and assessment test results. The gut profile test is designed to identify potential complications or inconsistencies in your digestive system. In a similar way to the DNA test, our AI system calculates your health risk scoring based on both the data found on your gut profile test and assessment to generate your gut profile report. The DNA test is only required to be taken just once in your lifetime, and it's recommended that you take the gut profile test at least once every 6 months. With our advanced AI engine, and upon completing the DNA and gut profile tests, you'll be able to obtain a dynamic diet plan, tasks and recommendations, precision-engineered personalized supplements, and combined risk scores to lead and equip you with all you need on your ultimate healthy journey.